Hey guys, so today we are starting out our video on this gas station. It's Total Gas Station, Gilmour Drive. It's right off the boulevard, right at the intersection of Molynes Road and Washington Boulevard. So what we're doing today is a community drive. So what we'll be doing, alright, so we'll be taking a drive along Gilmour Drive and Cowper Drive as well. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the drive. So it's another driving video, you know, just exploring the different communities in Jamaica, exploring the different places of interest, the different popular communities as well that some of you guys may not have seen before. So that's really the aim. So today is Gilmour Drive. This is the Washington Boulevard, and then that's the Texaco across from the road as well. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Alright, so they blocked off the gas station a bit, so that's why I came down here, and then I'll go back up and head on to Molynes Road, and then I filter onto Gilmour Drive. Alright guys, so stay tuned, leave a comment. Alright, so Tanquil Metal is up the road, and then Cowper Drive starts right here. So let's take a look on this drive into this community. And again, you know it's Rush, your Discover boss. It's another driving video. So this would be a residential community. Not upscale, but I would say mid-scale. But you know, as most part of Molynes, you know, it's similar to that range in terms of mid-scale, you know, family house setting, decent house. So I've never covered this side before, so that's what we're doing today. So this side is on the other side of the Sandy Gully, because you know the Sandy Gully separates Molynes Road. So far the road is not bad, that's a plus. Seemed like it was recently repaved, so that's good. So again, the bigger community is Molynes Garden, which is a huge community which runs on both sides of Molynes Road. So the houses on the right, behind them you would have the Sandy Gully. So the Sandy Gully would be behind these houses on the right. So Molynes Garden, a very residential mid-level neighborhood, and it covers a very large area, which basically is the both sides of Molynes Road. Alright, I think this in front of me is the boulevard again, but I think this right turn leads to a dead end, so we'll go down this side. So it leads to an apartment complex, which is the dead end. And again guys, as usual, if you have ever been in this community, have ever lived in this community, if you grew up in this community, or if you are even living there right now, definitely let us know in the comment section. Alright, so this is Washington Court Apartments. When you're on Boulevard, you can see this apartment as well. Not sure how many persons would have a glimpse this apartment when you are driving on Washington Boulevard. So this is the entrance. Decent side apartment complex. A lot of clusters. And again, They have the sandy gully that runs alongside the apartment. Alright, so we're just making a U-turn here. Because you know these apartments are gated. And you know, I don't have any invitation. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go down Gilmour Drive now, which leads us back to the same Total gas station that we were. So that's the plan. So stay tuned guys, enjoy the drive. Just when I was about to praise this, you know, community for the road, you know, we're just going through a big patrol. But for the most part, the road is not bad still. Alright, so that was Gilmour Drive. We're now facing Molynes Road again, and that's the Church of the Mary, the Virgin. That's the name of that church. So we're back at this gas station. So this is the Total Gilmour Drive. So this is where we started. So we're now gonna go on to Molynes, where we'll end the video. So again guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and definitely comment as well. So we're approaching the bridge for the Sandy Gully, and then we have Tankwell Metals on the right. So again guys, thanks for staying tuned. So that's the Sandy Gully. Alright, so thanks for watching to the end guys, and I'll definitely see you on another video.